Something that has always bothered me is to mount a TV on a pillar with a pipe. So here I have a pillar with a pipe. So I took the Zebozap Outdoor TV Mount. I put in the strap through the pipe, and then I just mount my TV as usual. So here, firstly, I just strap in the first upper part of the strap using this magnificent ratchet right here. So then I do the bottom ratchet and strap. I do the same thing. I put in the strap through the pipe, and then I just use this ratchet to tighten the strap and make sure my plate is sturdy. And next, I just place this TV mount onto the plate. Just click it in, and next, what you do is you just take your TV. This TV mount is really strong. You just take your TV, place the TV, screw it on, and there you go. You have your 360 degrees swivelable TV mount. See you guys.